In this video, we will explore 3 possible scenarios of life after a nuclear war. We will examine the immediate aftermath, long-term consequences, and the potential for human survival and adaptation. Let's dive into the fascinating and terrifying world of post-apocalyptic scenarios. Nuclear winter. The first scenario involves a nuclear winter, a period of extreme cold and darkness due to the mass ejection of soot and smoke into the atmosphere after the detonation of nuclear bombs. The blocked sunlight would lead to a dramatic drop in global temperatures, creating a deadly environment for most life forms. In this scenario, survivors would need to adapt to scarce food resources, as the reduced sunlight would result in the collapse of the agricultural system. Hunting and gathering would become essential, with people relying on the remaining wildlife and edible plants. However, the competition for these resources would be fierce, leading to potential conflicts and power struggles among survivors. Moreover, the radiation from nuclear explosions would have long-lasting effects on the environment and human health. Contaminated water sources, soil, and air would lead to the spread of radiation sickness, causing severe illnesses and even death. Access to uncontaminated resources and protective measures would become crucial for survival. In this world, communities would need to cooperate and rely on each other's skills and resources. Individuals with expertise in agriculture, engineering, medicine, and other essential fields would be in high demand. Education would focus on practical knowledge, and technology would be repurposed to meet the needs of this new world. Societal collapse. The second scenario envisions a complete societal collapse following a nuclear war. With the destruction of major cities and the disintegration of governments, the world would be plunged into chaos. Anarchy would prevail as survivors fight for resources and establish their territories. In this scenario, small communities would form around strong leaders who would provide protection and security in exchange for loyalty and resources. These communities could either be cooperative, focusing on mutual support and reconstruction, or aggressive, seeking to conquer and exploit other groups. The widespread destruction of infrastructure would make communication and transportation between communities difficult. As a result, trade and exchange of knowledge would be limited, leading to a slow technological regression. People would revert to a more primitive lifestyle, using basic tools and weapons for survival. Additionally, the threat of radiation would be ever-present. Communities would need to establish safety measures and strategies to minimize exposure, such as living in underground bunkers or utilizing natural barriers like mountains or caves. Medical knowledge would be essential for treating radiation sickness and other health issues. A new beginning. The final scenario offers a more hopeful perspective on life after a nuclear war. While the initial destruction would be immense, some nations and communities might band together to rebuild and create a new world order. In this scenario, the remaining global powers would work to prevent further conflict and promote international cooperation. They would focus on rebuilding infrastructure, establishing communication networks, and pooling resources to address the urgent needs of the post-apocalyptic world. Despite the challenges of radiation, food scarcity, and disrupted ecosystems, human ingenuity and resilience would play a vital role in adapting to the new environment. Scientists and engineers would work on developing innovative solutions to produce food, generate clean energy, and remove radiation from the environment. Education and the exchange of knowledge would be prioritized, as survivors would understand the importance of learning from the past to prevent future catastrophes. The focus would be on creating a sustainable and harmonious world that values cooperation, empathy, and environmental stewardship. In conclusion, the aftermath of a nuclear war would be a harsh reality for humanity. By examining these scenarios, we hope to shed light on the need for global unity and peace. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more intriguing content. Together, let's promote awareness and inspire actions that contribute to a safer, more connected world.